Imagine a 70-year-old man named George. Every evening he enjoys a cold glass of soda while watching TV. For years this has been his simple pleasure. But lately George has noticed his legs feel tired, weak, and sometimes even numb. His balance isn't the same and climbing stairs feels like lifting bricks. He blames aging, but the truth is far more surprising. The real culprit might be in his glass. Many seniors are unknowingly drinking substances that harm their muscles, reduce blood flow, and damage nerves in the legs. These effects build up silently. One day, you're walking fine. The next, you need a cane. And then suddenly, a fall changes everything. But here's the good news. With a few smart changes, you can protect your leg strength, regain energy, and move with confidence again. In today's video, we reveal the 5 drinks that could be killing your leg strength and what to drink instead. Your legs carry your life forward. Let's not let silent enemies steal that strength. Stay with me till the end. This could save your mobility, your independence, even your life. Why leg strength declines after 60 and why it's dangerous. After 60, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. It starts slowly, almost invisibly, but it accelerates if we don't act. The legs especially are vulnerable. That's because they bear the weight of our bodies and require good circulation, strong muscles, and healthy nerves to function properly. When leg muscles weaken, walking becomes harder. Stairs feel steeper. You may feel wobbly, need support, or start avoiding outings. This decline doesn't just affect mobility, it raises the risk of serious falls, hip fractures, and hospitalizations. For many seniors, a fall can mean the end of independent living. But what causes this decline to speed up? While lack of exercise plays a role, many people overlook the importance of hydration and nutrition. The drinks you consume daily can either help maintain muscle or accelerate its breakdown. Sugary drinks, alcohol, and even some so-called health beverages can contribute to muscle wasting, inflammation, nerve damage, and poor blood flow, all of which affect your legs. If your legs often feel heavy, crampy, or weak, it might not just be age, it might be what you're drinking. Protecting your leg strength after 60 requires more than exercise. It demands smarter choices at the dinner table and especially at the drink counter. By learning what helps and what harms, you can keep your legs strong and your steps steady. Your legs are the foundation of your freedom. Every walk in the park, trip to the store, and hug you share with family depends on them. Let's protect them, starting with what goes in your glass. Sugary soft drinks, the sweet poison for your legs. Let's begin with one of the most common drinks destroying leg strength in seniors: sugary soft drinks. Whether it's cola, fruit-flavored soda, or energy drinks packed with sugar, they may taste good, but they quietly steal your vitality. Here's why. Sugary drinks cause a sudden spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. This constant up and down leads to inflammation in the body, and chronic inflammation is a major enemy of your muscles, especially in the legs. It makes it harder for your body to recover from daily movement, leading to soreness, weakness, and even muscle loss. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high sugar intake is directly linked to reduced muscle mass in older adults. The more sugar people consumed, the weaker their legs became over time. And many didn't even notice until they started struggling with stairs or standing for long periods. Another hidden danger? Sugary sodas are acidic. They can interfere with calcium absorption, weakening your bones and increasing the risk of leg cramps and fractures. Weak bones and weak muscles together create a dangerous combination for seniors, especially when it comes to balance and mobility. Plus, sugary soft drinks have zero nutritional value. They don't hydrate you. They don't nourish you. All they do is spike insulin, exhaust your body, and leave you more fatigued the next day, especially if consumed in the evening. So what can you drink instead? Try switching to infused water with lemon and mint, or drink coconut water for natural electrolytes. Herbal teas like ginger or hibiscus not only taste good, but also fight inflammation and improve circulation. Remember this: if your legs feel heavy, tired, or sore, look at what's in your glass. That sweet treat could be draining your strength one sip at a time. Your legs carry you through life. Give them strength, not sugar. Excessive caffeine, a hidden thief of leg. Power caffeine in moderation can help improve alertness and even boost workout performance. But too much of it, especially in older adults, can lead to serious problems with leg health. Here's what you need to know. Caffeine is a natural diuretic. This means it makes you urinate more frequently, which can easily lead to dehydration, one of the biggest reasons seniors feel muscle fatigue, tightness, or painful cramps in their legs. When you're dehydrated, your muscles don't get the fluids or minerals they need to contract properly. This puts pressure on your calves, thighs, and lower back. You may wake up with stiff legs or even experience nighttime leg cramps that interrupt your sleep. Another concern is calcium loss. Studies show that consuming large amounts of caffeine, especially from coffee, strong black tea, or energy drinks, can cause your body to lose calcium through urine. Less calcium means weaker bones, which directly impacts the strength and stability of your legs. And let's not forget about blood pressure. For some seniors, caffeine causes spikes in blood pressure, which affects circulation to the legs and feet, making them feel colder, more tired, or even numb. Now, we're not saying you should stop drinking coffee altogether, but if you're having more than 2 cups a day or relying on energy drinks for a boost, it may be time to cut back. Try switching to low-caffeine herbal teas like chamomile or rooibos. These drinks support hydration, calm your nervous system, and reduce inflammation, all while being gentle on your muscles and bones. Remember, your legs don't need artificial stimulation. They need nourishment, hydration, and calm, steady, energies. Alcohol. The silent saboteur of muscle health. Alcohol may seem harmless in small doses. A glass of wine with dinner or a nightcap to help you sleep. But for seniors, even moderate alcohol use can lead to leg weakness and muscle loss over time. First, alcohol disrupts protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. As we age, our ability to build muscle naturally declines, and alcohol makes this process even harder. Studies show that regular alcohol use can cause muscle atrophy, especially in the legs, because they carry most of your body weight. You might notice your thighs getting thinner, your balance weakening, or increased fatigue when walking. Second, alcohol dehydrates the body. Like caffeine, it acts as a diuretic and drains your system of water and essential electrolytes like magnesium and potassium. These minerals are critical for muscle contractions and preventing leg cramps. Third, alcohol affects nutrient absorption. It interferes with how your body absorbs vitamins like B12, which are essential for nerve health and blood flow to the legs. Poor nerve health leads to numbness, tingling, and even nerve pain, especially in the feet. Over time, alcohol also weakens bone density, increasing the risk of fractures and falls, a major concern for seniors who already have reduced balance and muscle strength. If you're drinking regularly, even if it's just a couple of glasses a week, pay attention to how your legs feel afterward. Stiffness, soreness, or muscle twitching could be signs that your body isn't handling it well. Instead, consider non-alcoholic alternatives like kombucha, herbal spritzers, or simply sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. Remember, protecting your leg muscles means avoiding anything that depletes your strength, and alcohol is one of the biggest silent saboteurs. Diet sodas, deceptive and dangerous for your legs. Many seniors turn to diet sodas thinking they're a healthier alternative to sugary drinks, but these artificially sweetened beverages come with their own set of dangers. The biggest problem? Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose. These chemicals can disrupt your metabolism and gut health, which are both essential for muscle function and energy production. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume diet sodas actually experience greater muscle decline than those who avoid them altogether, especially in the legs and hips. Why? Because artificial sweeteners can increase inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which interfere with muscle repair and energy use. Another issue is that diet sodas still contain acids like phosphoric acid, which can weaken your bones by pulling calcium from them. This increases your risk of osteoporosis and fragile leg bones, especially dangerous in older adults who are more likely to fall. Diet sodas can also confuse your appetite. The sweet taste triggers your brain into thinking sugar is coming, but when no calories follow, it creates cravings and energy crashes. This often leads to poor eating habits, skipped meals, or nutrient deficiencies, all of which contribute to weaker leg muscles. Plus, many seniors drink diet soda instead of water. That means they stay dehydrated, and we've already talked about how dehydration leads to cramps, stiffness, and fatigue. If you're looking to replace soda, try sparkling water infused with real fruit, or make your own herbal iced tea with no added sugar. These options hydrate your body, support circulation, and deliver real vitamins and minerals. Message from the heart: don't let a misleading label rob you of your strength. Just because it says diet doesn't mean it's safe, especially for your legs. Let's quickly go over what we've learned today. If you're over 60 and want to protect your legs, your strength, balance, and independence, you must be careful about what you drink. The top 5 dangerous drinks we covered are sugary soft drinks, excessive caffeine, alcohol, diet sodas, energy drinks, as discussed earlier in Section 1. Each of these beverages contributes to dehydration, muscle loss, inflammation, and poor circulation, silently weakening your legs and putting your health at risk. But the good news is, change is possible. Every healthier sip you take moves you towards stronger legs, better balance, and more energy. So here's your next step. Replace just one harmful drink today with a nourishing alternative. Hydrate with purpose, protect your muscles, and honor the strength that still lives within you. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps the message of senior wellness alive. Your legs carry you through life. Take care of them with love and wisdom.